Hello everyone, I have a full box of SkullPanda series, the sound, and an extra one on the side, and different series of the SkullPanda, the warmth. So I'm going to be opening these two last. I already have one of the SkullPandas. I love this series so much. So the characters that I want the most are the two pink ones. Like opening this one up. So I'm going to move these to the side. We got this one. Wait, do you guys see that? It's like pearlescent. Oh, it has like plastic in it. She's so pretty. Like, I wonder what this, like, it's like a flower, but also looks like a jellyfish. This is the awe. Being careful with the boxes just in case you get a double. Oh my god, wait. This one is the Serenity. Always see people unbox these on like my TikTok. She's so beautiful. I love the little tattoos that they all have on them. I think their headpieces, they stick on from magnets. She's so pretty. The Serenity. I hope I get a secret. I'm sure I'm probably gonna get a duplicate of this. Oh my god, I think I saw pink. I'm not gonna look at the card. Pink, oh my god, wait. This was the trust. This one? Yeah, I think it's this one. I've always wanted this girl, like, ever since, like, I got my first SkullPanda and I saw that this one came out, I was like, I really want that one. This is her headpiece and her stand. Oh my god. Whoa. I wasn't expecting the heart to be like that. Actually, I wasn't expecting that at all. I don't know why. I feel like I've seen her so many times, but I never really actually paid attention to her detail. She's so pretty. Oh my god, she's my favorite. She's so pretty. I love the pearlescent on her too. Awesome nails that have inspo. I think either on her or on the ecstasy. And they're so pretty. The trust. Nice luck. I haven't gotten a duplicate yet, so I'm excited for that. Oh my god, that card. Oh my god, I already saw it. The pensiveness. Dang it. I wish I didn't do that. Her headpiece. It's so pretty. I like how like minimal and dainty it is compared to the other one. Oh my goodness, she's so pretty. I love the blue colors. Like the scheme, the blue color scheme. I'm so glad that so far I don't have any duplicates. Like, I know in a full set you don't get a duplicate, but I already have this character up here, so... Wait, what is she? I have the admiration already, yes. This is the card. There's plastic around here too. Oh! Just as I was saying that I didn't have a duplicate, here's a duplicate. Oh my goodness. Oh. She's cute, but I thought I would like her more, you know? She's cute. I don't really have anything much to say about her because she's a really... I guess you could say she's kind of basic, but also really like cute and simple. You know what I mean? Like, but she also has like a lot of detail on her. I like that her glasses like can open up and just close. I like how interactive these are. This is big. I think she might... There's like a couple with like plastic and she might be... the disgust, maybe? Oh, I got it right. She's... Oh my... Wait, she's so much prettier than I thought. Like, she was my least favorite out of all of them whenever I saw them like getting unboxed online, but she's so much prettier in person. This is her card, the disgust, and her headpiece and stand. Oh my god, she's cute. I think she's the anger, right? Yes, the anger. Oh my goodness, wait. I really like her a lot. I feel like she pops out more compared to everyone else in this collection because like, she's one that's like really bold. I love her colors. I didn't think I would actually like this. Is her headpiece. I'm really hoping to get a secret. 3 more boxes left. These 2, including the one back there. Oh, 4 boxes. My phone fell, so it might be at a different angle. She's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god, wait. She's glittery. Can you guys see that? The glitter? Oh my god, I didn't know she was glittery. She's so pretty. Whoa, wait, she's actually one of my top favorite ones. You guys like low-key need to buy these because they look so much better like in real life instead of seeing them on the internet, because I didn't think I would like her either. She's so pretty. I like her much better without the mask. I'm hoping to get a secret. I don't think I'm going to, honestly, if I'm being honest. Who is this? Oh, I think I got the Villagents. I'm not gonna look at the card. Just in case. I love her eyeshadow. It's like... it gives off the illusion that it's like glittery, but it's not. I really like her headpiece. I think I like her like a lot better without the headpiece. but I like it alone. I'm still happy with the full set, but I also want the secret. Yeah, it's the full set. She is the joy. Oh, I love her outfit. It's so cute. Oh my god, wait. Is that gold? Oh, that is gold. It's like the blush for the knees. Oh wait, that's cute. She's like underwater themed, it looks like. Oh my god. I don't think it's a secret. Oh my, I knew it. And then we're gonna be opening this series. I think I want any of them except the rainy day one. Oh my god, who did I get? She's cute. Taste from the memory. God, there's dango and fries. I think these are fries. Or like, they're like sticks of something. That's cute. But I feel like it would look cute like this. Like if she was holding both of them. I'm gonna be ranking the ones I like the most from 1 to 5. My first choice is definitely Still the Trust. Like she's so cute. I love her without her headpiece and with her headpiece. I really love her transparent heart in the back. I love her design overall. My second is the Anger. She's very bold out of all of them. I love the details in her little stand and in her outfit. Everything on her matches like very, very well. My third favorite is the Grief. I love her so much without her helmet or her headpiece. And she's glittery. I love her makeup. I love the way she's standing. It's like she's levitating. I love her so much. My fourth favorite is the Pensiveness. She's so pretty and I love how minimal her little headpiece is. She looks very cute without it and with it on. I just like how minimal and how dainty she is. Like she doesn't have too much going on but not too little. The back of her head, it matches with her headpiece. So nice. I love her so much. Surprisingly, the Joy is my fifth choice. I didn't think that I would like her this much. Look at all the colors she has. She also pops out a lot compared to the other ones. She reminds me of like Bloom from Winx. And that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.